let's talk about navigating ClickUp in the sense of the hierarchy. What are spaces? What are folders? What are lists? How does this whole ClickUp hierarchy thing work? As a general, think of it as if ClickUp functions similar to any kind of storage asset. Your Google Drive, your Microsoft Office, you have main folders, you have subfolders in there, and you have documents and spreadsheets in there. ClickUp functions the same way. So you have your big workspace, everything. That's the thing right up there, either your personal profile or specifically the workspace you are in right now. Within this workspace, if you are a full member, you will have other locations, meaning work. You will have other locations, meaning you will have spaces within your workspace. I know the language is not always the cleanest. Think of your workspace as your account, your company within ClickUp. Then you have spaces. We do here at Ask Evie usually have a collection of a minimum of 5 spaces that every business has. We have additional videos and trainings on this. For this specific training, I'm just showing you a couple of these. So in this case, we have a workspace called HQ Admin, the team space with your training in it, where we have a folder specifically for each team member. So things are sorted within the team space by the team members in a folder. Each of this folder can have multiple lists, and within these lists you have all of your tasks with custom fields. So it goes down into tinier and tinier boxes. What that also means, and why this is important, is these hierarchies go through all of the features within ClickUp. You will have features that are available to you on the space level. You will have features to you that you can choose to just have in the list. For example, ClickUp custom fields are list-based. There's also a feature where we can have custom fields based on the task type. We're not going to dive deep into this right now. It's just wanting to get across the understanding of the ClickUp hierarchy and how it works. Within a list, you also can have custom views, which you see right up here. So I can create specific, filtered, and organized custom views, if that is a list, if that is a Gantt view, if that is a document, if that is a calendar. All of these will pull in the information of the location you are at and show it how you would like to show it. That means if you set up a custom view in a list, it will only show the task within this list. If you are going up into the folder and you are creating a custom view in here, it will pull in all of the lists and the tasks in all of those lists into that custom view. Same with the space. And we will dive into setting up custom views in a future training. To round this all up, ClickUp hierarchy starts with your workspace, aka account, right on top, the specific business you are in ClickUp. It then goes into specific workspaces like your admin, your team space, your ClickUp support. You then have folders within these spaces to be able to sort multiple different lists. And within these lists, you will have your tasks with custom fields to give it additional information.